In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix DoorDash Dasher app not working. Let's get started. First, if app is not working, you can try to access DoorDash using the web version. So launch your preferred browser, type in DoorDash login, navigate to its official website and try to log in from there. Next, check the server status of DoorDash. Type in DoorDash server status, head over to the website Down Detector. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If there are no outages, you can follow other steps. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also enable airplane mode for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app DoorDash. If you find the option of update over here, click on it and update the app to its latest version. In case you have enabled any VPN or proxy, disable it. This might also cause the issue. Next thing you want to do is check the credentials. Ensure the credentials you are using is correct, or you can reset your password. Avoid repeated wrong attempts. Sometimes login loops are caused by corrupted sessions or server sync issues. Lastly, completely delete app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.